Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Sky blue, pink, lemon green, orange, yellow, parrot green. A. Say with me. A. A for apple.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
B.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
Say with me.
L, M, N, O, P, Q,
B.
T, U, V,
B for ball.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
C. Say with me. C. C for cat. D.
A, B, C, D,
Say with me.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
D.
R, S, T, U, V,
D for
X, Y, and
dog.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
E.
A, B, C,
Say with me.
F, G,
E.
I, J, K, L,
E for
Q,
eagle.
T, U, V, W, X, Y,
F.
Now I know my ABCs.
Say with me.
You sing
F. F for flower. G. Say with me. G. G for guava. H. Say with me. H. H for horse. I. Say with me. I. I for ice cream. J. Say with me. J. J for jacket. K. Say with me. K. K for key. L. Say with me. L. L for lemon. M. Say with me. M. M for monkey.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
N.
H, I, J, K, L, M,
Say with me.
Q, R,
N.
T, U, V,
N for
X,
nest.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing?
O. Say with me. O. O for octopus. P. Say with me. P. P for potato. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for quilt. R. Say with me. R. R for rose. S. Say with me. S. S for star. T. Say with me. T. T for train. U. Say with me. U. U for uniform. B. Say with me. B. B for violin. W. Say with me. W. W for whale. X. Say with me. X. X for xylophone. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zoo. Subscribe for more videos.